Hi, it's Phil from Philips Dynalite, and in this video we are going to talk about the reporting feature within the System Manager software. So as you can see on the screen, I've got the Reports tab. If I click here, I've got two collections of reports. I've got Predefined, which are the reports that have been created and come with the software, and then I've got Favorites, which are customized, tailored versions of those reports. So for example, if I look here, I can look at alert status, that report, and in the right hand margin I can see the variables that I can set to fine tune that report to see what I want. So I can set the range, the date range, and then I can set the details. Now I'm just going to run this for all details set to default, and what that will do is it will get the information from the database and it will generate a report. So as you can see here, I've got a detail of devices going offline, a driver error because I had everything open, and these are the faults in created state within the system at this moment in time. I can save that report and I can print that report should I choose to do so. I can also auto-generate this report, so I can set a schedule to run this report. Have a look through the reports in System Manager. Let me know in the comments if you want to discuss, or you want me to discuss in detail any specific report in future videos, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for your time.